Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, class P1, P1A, B, and C, you know very well that we were going through the software Microsoft Publisher. This is basically the chapter number 5 that we were doing Publisher Graphics. Publisher Graphics are the basically tools that we are going to discuss in this chapter. And yesterday, I had given you a quick review about the built-in option, and then I gave you a quick review about how you can make a publication from the scratch, means by taking a blank page. Okay, that was basically the topic that we started yesterday. So today again, we are going to explore some other options. Okay, so this is basically the thing that we are going to discuss basically, okay, how we can use different graphical options in Microsoft Publisher. Ibrahim bin Waqar, why you always try to use different options in Zoom? Why you are giving me the request to have remote control of the screen? Don't you know okay, where you are clicking? Otherwise, if you don't understand this thing, I am going to send you out of this class, okay? Keep in mind from next time. You should be very careful where you are clicking in the Zoom. You are supposed to raise the hand whenever you have got any question. Yes, Saad Fayaz, you want to ask something? Saad Fayaz,
Zoom.
why you have raised the hand, Saad Fayaz? Have you got any question? Nothing?
Sorry, sir. I forgot to lower hand.
Okay, fine. Okay, Ayat Zubair, you want to ask something?
Sir, I don't want to ask, but I want to tell you yesterday what you, sir, you gave us a lecture yesterday about
Yes,
make a
yes,
brochure by ourselves.
yes.
Sir, I actually made 2 of them.
Good. It means that those students, they are very good students who are doing practice at home. I like this thing that you are doing practice at home. Fine. So you should do practice at home so that you must be able to know all the concepts that we are studying. Aris Khan, you want to ask something, Aris Khan?
नजर आ रहा है लीन भी नजर आ रही है I also practiced all of the brochures and I have uploaded it in the Google Classroom also.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Thank you. Good. Okay, fine. So I think all of you should now lower the hand because we should move towards a new topic. I know some of the students are doing a good job and some are still trying to do it, but those who haven't tried it at home, they should do at home. One important instruction is there for you. Listen all the classes of P1A, P1B, P1C, and P1A, that whenever you will join the Zoom class, you will come with your name and with your class. Just like I give you the example, Abdul Hamid Ali, P1B. He has mentioned his class with his name, Abdul Hamid B, Abdul Hamid Ali, P1B, Ayat Zubair, P1A, Adam Hafiz, P1C, Afan Javed, P1C. They have mentioned their classes with their name, but some students are there, those who haven't mentioned their classes with their name. So this is not a good approach. Why? Because all these students are supposed to come with their names. I can see over here, most of the students have mentioned their classes. Aisha Arshad P1A, Arij Faraj P1A. So this is the better approach. So those who will join without mentioning their names from next time, so I am not going to allow them in my class. Keep in mind, okay, all the students from the next class, they will join with their names and with their classes. Okay, the class should also be there. The class should also be there. Otherwise, you will not be able to continue in the class because I am not able to identify the student whether he or she is from P1A or P1B or P1C. So it's now your responsibility to take care of this fact. Okay, fine. So today I'm going to tell you some more important things in Microsoft Publisher Graphics that we were studying last time. These
Yes.
topics are given in your books, page number 50 to 56, where we are studying some different graphical options. So what I am going to do today, I will take a blank publication, just like I have taken one blank publication. And now I am going to tell you how to set the background. Okay, how to set the background. If you have got one publication and you want to set its background, okay, what kind of background should be there that you are going to have in your publication? So what you will do, you will go to this option, which is there in the page design option. Go to the page design option and click on the background. When you click on the background, you will see different background options are there. These are the different color options. Okay, what kind of color is there that you want to place, that you want to set up as a background? This is a plain color, single color that I have placed as a background. Okay, now if you think that this plain color background is not good, you can go to the different colors options which are having shades, just like blue color background with white shades in between. So you can see over here that the edges are light blue and in between, in the center, there is white color. So this background is basically giving you a lightning effect. This is basically a
Please
lightning effect
design the
background
background.
that we are having over here. Okay, fine.
Oh, इतना सोचे.
Okay, just pay attention now. If we go to the background option, you will see that the background is available in some different colors. If you are not interested in these colors of shades and these plain colors, you can go to the more background option. When you will go to the more background option, you will see that there are some other colors available that you can choose from here. Okay, no fill matlab ke it will be a plain background. Solid fill, solid fill में you can choose the background solid fill with some color which was not there in the predefined background. You can choose some other color that you like. For example, if I select this yellow color, then I say okay, then you will see that this yellow color has been applied over here. Okay, so if you are interested in that color background which was not there in the given colors, just like if I go there in the background, the yellow was not there. Yellow background was not there. So I went to the more background options and I go to solid fill option and I select some color from here, any color that I want. And then when I will click on it, I can select it. Even in from these all colors, if you are not interested in these all colors, you can go to the more color options. In the more color options, you can choose any of the color. For example, if you are considering okay, I should mix some greenish color with the yellow color, okay, select it from here. Okay, so these options are available from here and you can click OK, and when you will apply, then you will see that this background has been applied to your publication that you are going to make. I think this thing is very clear to all of you. This is how you can set up a background color. Now see, again we go to the background option because some other options are also there. If we go to the more background option, you will see that you can choose the gradient fill. What does it mean, the gradient fill? In the gradient fill, you can choose the colors available over here, any of the color that you want to have, blue color, let's suppose, okay, or red color, whatever the color that you want to give over here, and you can fill it by according to your choice. The gradient fill option is also there. Gradient fill is having some, design. Now you can see that it has got some inner light color design over here, which is making a combination of two colors. So gradient fill option is also there that you can choose. Some paths are given over here for the gradient. The gradient will be linear or gradient will be, in which direction. So you can apply any of the gradient option. If you go to the background colors, then you will see that you can set picture or texture as a background. Picture and texture can also be set as a background. What is there in the texture? What is meant by the texture? Texture means that you can choose some texture design. These are the textures. You can choose any texture design which are given to you, and you can set it as a background, just like I selected one texture design and I have set it. This is a light color texture design. If I go to background option and I select picture or texture design, and if I go to the texture which is having a better texture design, now you can see that its design is more clear. These are the texture. Texture means where some embossed effect is there in the given design of color. So that is called basically texture. Texture which is having some design which is not plain, which is in the form of embossed or some kind of mixed color scheme. So that is called a texture design. So in this way, you can choose any of the background that you want to set up for your background of your publication. Some students have raised the hand. I think I should ask them so that we can move ahead afterwards. Solaf Ibrahim.
Sir.
Okay, Ibrahim.
Sir, when will you show the watermark background?
Okay, we can apply some image as watermark.
Can you show?
Okay. Okay. I will show you how we can do this. Solaf Ibrahim. Solaf Ibrahim, you have raised the hand. Yes.
Sir, I am doing the same as you. And yesterday I did the same project you did.
A bit loudly. Yes, what you are asking?
Yesterday I did the same project you did.
Okay, fine, good. Okay, Hafiz, Adam Hafiz.
Yes, sir.
Adam Hafiz, we have raised the hand. What do you want to ask?
Sir, I will brought a new lab. I want to ask which eh, Windows I should use.
Windows 10 is, I think, preferable. You should have Windows 10 and you should install Microsoft Office at least 2013. If the higher version is there, it's better.
Okay,
Fine.
but the publisher I should install it, or it will be in the lab without installing it.
No, you will have to install it. When you install Windows, it is not installed with the Windows. You have to install it separately. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Okay. Okay. Abdul Hamid Ali, you want to ask something? You have raised the hand.
Sir, I have make a project, but when I send it to the classroom, it is not working.
You should upload the file if you are going to send it to me. You can upload the file in your Google Classroom. Even if you don't send it, because I did not ask you to send it or upload in the Google Classroom, because if all the students will upload the data in the Google Classroom, so definitely I am not checking the right now the projects. I am just telling you how to do it. But when we will be doing the lab, so then you will have to perform it accordingly and you will have to save it. Okay, fine.
Okay. Fine.
Okay. Who is this Muhammad? Yes, you have raised hand. What is your full name? Muhammad?
Muhammad Badr.
You should also mention your class when you join the class, okay?
So I am putting office and the color is not coming.
Which option you are using?
I'm using best design option.
Okay, but I am just like I am telling you, I will also upload this I will also upload this Zoom class in the Google Classroom. So you can also go through it once again and you can set the background in this way that I have told you. How you can set up the background. Okay, background options are there that we are studying today. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Ayat Zubair of P1A, you want to ask something?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, if you want to add a pattern on the page, so what do we have to do?
As I had told you, I have told you about texture. I am going to tell you about picture and pattern as well. I will tell you right now, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, Liman Khan, you want to ask something? Your voice is not clear. You should say loudly.
Sir, can you explain again how to add the texture?
Liman, your voice is not clear, so I did not understand what you are asking. You should use a proper mic or headphone so that you can talk in a better way. Hiba Imran, yes, you want to ask something? If you have got any question up to here. Alishba Irfan. Okay. Okay, fine. So I think most of the queries are now resolved. I know all of you have got some different questions that you want to ask, but we have some limited time. So definitely I will give you the time, all of you, so that you can ask the questions. Some students have already asked the questions, so I am going to move towards some other options that we need to explore. Okay. Now in the backgrounds, in the options of the backgrounds, I am going to tell you some more things. How we can set up the pattern as a background and a picture as a background. Basically, this is the question that we need to understand. Okay, how we can set up a pattern as a background and a picture as a background. So basically, this is the question that we need to understand. You know that you will go to the background option. This is the background option. You will go to the background option. You will go to the more backgrounds. Now here you can see that we have got picture option as well. Picture or texture. Texture, I have already told you how you can set up the texture. Now you can see that online picture option is there, file option is there, and clipboard option is there. These are the three options with which you can insert a picture as a background. If we go to the online option, you can search any picture from the internet. For example, if I say sky background, sky background. Now, when I searched for the sky backgrounds, there are some different sky backgrounds are there. I click on them and I insert one sky background. So sky background will be applied on my publication. This is how we can set a picture as a background. If we go to, now see another option. If we go to the more backgrounds option again, and you go to the clipboard. Clipboard means if you have copied something and you want to paste it over there, so then it is possible. But you can go to the file option. File option is the option if you have got some file available and you want to set up as a background. For example, if I have got this file which is there in my PC and I want to set up this file as a background, so it will be pasted as a background on my publication. Now it has been pasted as a background on my publication. Okay. So this is how you can set a file of picture by searching from the internet, or the file of or a picture which is available in your PC, any image which is available in your PC and you want to set it as a background. Okay. Then if you go to the more backgrounds option, you will see that pattern fill option is there. For pattern fill, first you need to select the color for with which color you want to set the pattern. Let's suppose if I go to the solid fill, if I select green over here, if I select green over here, then I go to the pattern. So all the patterns which are available, these will be in green color. If I go to the solid fill color and I select blue over here and I go to the pattern, then you will see that all the patterns which are there, these are in the blue colors. Okay. So if I go to the yellow color option, if I go to the pattern, then the patterns which are available are in the yellow color. So these are the different patterns available over here. Now I have applied a pattern in light yellow, yellowish like color. So it is a dotted pattern that I have applied to my publication. Okay. So this is how we can apply some different patterns. So up to here, if you have got any question, you can ask me. Fatma Farooq.
Sir,
Yes, Fatma Farooq.
sir, how do we delete a picture?
If you want to remove the background, you will go to
Yes.
the backgrounds. Okay, you will go to the backgrounds and more background options. You will say no fill. No fill option. No का मतलब है blank कर दो. It will be blanked. Good question. Okay. This thing is clear now, Fatma?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Yes, Amal Afzal.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. Yes, you want to ask something?
Sir, I can do this in PowerPoint 2013.
Right now we are discussing about Publisher, Microsoft Publisher. This is a separate software. I had told you when we started before the summer break. You know that we are doing all of our work in Microsoft Publisher. PowerPoint is a software which is used to make animation. Publisher is a software which is which is used to make publications just like pamphlets and brochure.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, P1C Ali. Ali, you want to ask something? You have raised the hand.
Yes, sir. Sir, you said put your class name on your name, sir.
Yes,
We should put in every class or only in computer class.
all the classes, in all the classes, you should come with the same thing. Your name, your class. Okay? Your name, your class should be mentioned. Okay? Okay, fine. While,
Sir?
what is your name? While,
Okay, sir.
what is your name?
Isa.
So why you are not coming with your actual name?
Sir,
Yes.
can we use Publisher 2010 for this?
Yes, you can use Publisher 2010. Fine, fine, you can use. But keep in mind, from next time you will come with your actual name and with your class. You are in which class?
P1B.
P1B. And what is your full name?
Isa Buhrara.
So you will come with your complete name. Otherwise, I am not going to allow you in the class. And with your class name. The class should also be mentioned. Okay, I think now all of your queries have been addressed. The questions that you wanted to ask, I think these all have been addressed. And all of you have got how to set a background for your publication, whether the background is a plain background or white background or a texture based background or a picture based background, simple color background or a multiple color gradient background. So I think these all things are very clear to all of you. Aris Khan, you want to ask something? Aris,
Yes, sir. I have Windows 7 and all of the Microsoft software are from 2016.
fine. If you are using 2016, good. Doesn't matter at all. All the
And
options are.
my second thing is that we have only less than 1 minute left now.
Okay, fine, fine, fine. So we are about to accomplish this class. I think all the things that we have discussed today are clear to all of you. I will upload the material for this chapter, the question and answers in your Google Classroom, and you will have to accomplish your work. Okay. So I think all of you will do your work on time. And I think all of you would have completed your summer break work as well, and all the tasks you would have done. Thank you so much. I'm going to close this class now.